do not recommend this, but this is the oil filter that I took off with all my gas in it. But watch. See that? Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. I came out to crank up my Craftsman riding mower. It's about 4 years old. Blowing gas all out the muffler, crankcase full of fuel. So what I figured was going on is my carburetor float was stuck. So I said, well, I'll get a rebuild kit. Let me flip this camera around. Okay, it's real important you stay with me here. I ended up just getting a carburetor because by the time I got the kit and all that, I can get a new carburetor, which I'm going to put a link. It may not be to your model, but by that link, you can look up your model. It's very important you look up your model. This is a Craftsman T2400. But what ended up happening is I get the carburetor. Of course, I got to take off the top and everything. I am replacing this. So I had to take off the top. You can see the gas tank goes right there. It was only held together with 2 bolts. So I take it off. So I said, well, heck, I'm going to go ahead and just clean it up and kind of clean back here. Well, what I noticed is all this wiring, a mouse or something got in and chewed it all up. See that white wire right there? Well, that white wire is the one goes down to the connection, goes down to the fuel shutoff valve right there, if I get it in there. So I was like, well, heck, it was probably just grounding out and making it stay, you know, stay open. But look at it, it's all that wiring. So what I did, again, I'll put a link to a wiring harness. It may not be for your model, but by that link you can go and look up your model, and I appreciate it if you do, because I'm trying something new. I don't make a lot of money on YouTube, don't really plan it, but I figure I'd try this associates thing through Amazon. So if you would, please go to my link and then look up your model. But this is an exact fit wiring harness, and all this does is it takes it to this point right here, up here, and what I'm going to do is, it's an exact fit, so just take one wire off at a time, replace it. And it does have some zip ties, and I picked up a few zip ties right here, because you can see in some places it's zip tied together. But just a heads up, the wiring harness comes with the zip ties with the push-in clips. Hey, check that out before you go replacing things, because little mice getting in there, you know, and I definitely got to keep this cleaner. But see, it's all chewed up back there, so I'm almost positive that that's what was going on with my mower. And again, I'm going to drain all the oil out, change the oil, spark plug, oil filter, run it a little bit, and then probably change it again. So it's real important, but I just wanted to kind of point that out to people, that's a major problem that you just might want to check out. And again, I'm going to put a link to carburetor, because it still could have been the carburetor if that's not happening, but you got to take the top off anyways. And the gas tank is real simple, you know, it was 2 bolts, so you might as well pop that out and check your wiring out. And again, I did it just so I can clean it, and found that, so I'm glad I did that. But I appreciate your time, and I just will hopefully save you some time, because I would have just replaced this and it would have probably doing the same thing, or, you know, causing an electrical fire or something. But definitely check that out before you do anything. And again, please use my links I get you, and look up your model of the mower, and I'll still get credit. But that's pretty much it, and I hope this helps you, and have a good day.